Insulating the rock core sample with a rubber sleeve. The first step in preparing the rock core sample for the core flooding experiment is to install a suitable rubber sleeve around the core. The rubber sleeve acts as a barrier between the rock sample and the confining fluid, ensuring that the test fluid flows through the rock core and does not bypass the sample along its outer surface. Before installation, the rock core is carefully inspected and cleaned to remove any dirt or loose particles. The rubber sleeve is also checked for cracks, cuts, or other defects that could affect the integrity of the experiment. The rock core is then carefully inserted into the rubber sleeve. The sleeve should completely cover the outer surface of the core, while avoiding excessive stretching or damage to the rubber material. Once the core is properly positioned, the ends of the rubber sleeve are secured around the appropriate end fittings or plugs. These connections provide a proper seal and help prevent fluid leakage during the experiment. The sleeved rock core is then installed into the core holder. Confining pressure is gradually applied to compress the rubber sleeve tightly against the rock sample and the inner wall of the core holder. Finally, the complete assembly is inspected and pressure tested for leaks. Once the system is confirmed to be properly sealed, the inlet and outlet lines can be connected, allowing the core flooding experiment to proceed. This process ensures that the rock core is properly isolated and that the injected fluid is forced to flow through the rock sample, providing reliable and accurate results during the core flooding test.